everyone, welcome back to another video in this channel. So today I'm going to be talking about quizzes and how to create quizzes on the website Quizizz. If you don't know what is Quizizz, I'll explain. Quizizz is a free quiz taking website. It's for free and it ranges from KG1 till grade 12. So let me show you. So as you can see, this is Quizizz. You can search any quiz to in the find a quiz button. So to create quizzes in the website Quizzes, you have to log in or you have to sign up. So I have an account, so I'm already logged in. So now I'm in my account. So now I'll show you how to create quizzes. So at the top right hand corner, you can see a button called create a quiz. So click it. So then it'll ask you what would you like to create, lesson or a quiz. So a lesson means slides. You can explain your things in that lesson. So today I'll be showing you how to create a quiz. So let's click on quiz. So it'll take us to this page. You can choose whether is it multiple choice, match, or drag and drop, or math response, or hotspot, or graphing, labeling, drop down, fill in the blank, reorder, etc. So now for this, I'm going to create a multiple choice quiz. So I'll click on multiple choice. For this, I'm going to create 5 questions about the topic of football. So when you get redirected to this page, you can see here type your question. So let's type a question. Cup 2022 held. So here you have 4 options. So we can give 4 options and we'll tick the correct option. Qatar, India, Portugal, or Argentina. As we all know, Qatar is the correct answer. I'm gonna check this tick over here. So now Qatar is the correct answer. Now to add a question, you have to click here, not here. I'm gonna name this quiz. FIFA World Cup quiz. So now I'm gonna save this question. So now we get redirected to this page. Here I'm gonna click new question and I'm gonna click multiple choice. This is our second question. So I'm gonna click type your, so you can type your question. I'm gonna do who won the FIFA FIFA World Cup 2022? Only 4 answers. Portugal, Morocco, France, and Argentina. So the correct answer is Argentina, so I'm going to check this. Then I click save. So after this, I can click new question. So this time let it be fill in the blanks. Yeah, so I'll click on fill in the blanks. My question is, uh, where where was the 1930 World Cup held? So you can choose your option. Is it exactly or contains? So for this, I'm saying contains. The answer is Uruguay. So then I'm going to click on save. So my next question will be fill in the blank question. So here I'm going to give um who is the FIFA president? So the answer is Gianni Infantino. So here I'm going to click save. So my last question here, I'm gonna make this multiple choice. So let's go to assessment and let's do multiple choice. So my question here is, who won the 1934 World Cup? So the answer, as you all know, it's Italy. So I'm going to type Italy, Uruguay, Brazil, and Turkey. As you know, the answer is Italy, so I'm going to click Italy here. See, as we have done 5 questions, and the timer for each question is 30 seconds. If you want, you can change it from ranging from 5 seconds to 15 minutes. It's your wish. So after this, I'm going to click save. Now, I'm going to say, after finishing this, then I'm going to give change question order. Here you can change the grade. It is my subject is about other grade is from middle school. So now let's add a cover image. There are a couple of ways to add the cover images. You can either search it or drag and drop from your computer or a website, or you can even upload it from your computer. So for now, I'm going to paste the link. So I'm going to click paste link. I'm going to paste the link. So now I'm going to click insert. So now our cover image is done. So I'm going to click save. Now our quiz quality score is 10 on 10. Good job. Now we have to click save and your quiz is ready. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe to our channel and like it.